My name is Mark Wynard and I'm staying for the Taupō ward. The first one is we've got to endeavour to find a different income stream to cover out some of our costs. We've flogged the local people with rate demands and that's hurting, so it's important we try and find, not that we can eliminate rates at all entirely, but if we can knock the top of it by other income streams, it would help. Secondly, our infrastructure is crucial to the development of this town. We can build safer roads, and when we want to develop an area, then the infrastructure has to be there to enable it to happen. We can't be like some of the other councils and cities, whose infrastructure has gone down the tube and they're completely stalled. I have a detailed knowledge of the town and I have a long history of working constructively with various groups of people to achieve their objectives. Our infrastructure costs.